And now, Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kamaka Pili.
It's definitely a warm Saturday outside. Weather is different across the islands as we have a disturbance moving through. So the only really elevated threat is our rain conditions, and the heavy rains that continue throughout today may continue to tomorrow, and that's because we can see these low-level clouds moving towards the west. That disturbance really impacting the east coast of Hawaii Island and Maui in particular, with some scattered showers that have reached all the way towards Kauai, but fairly dry compared to what especially Maui is seeing. Now we see a big pocket of moisture west of Maui Island, and that's going to continue to bring some showers tonight into tomorrow. Now there has been some reports of thunderstorms on Hawaii Island, mainly the Mauna Loa area and the leeward slopes of Hawaii Island and the Kona coastline. Some triggers off of Hilo as well. Now this really is, again, that big pocket of moisture that will be sweeping over the state, bringing some increased showers mainly towards the central and west portions, increased tomorrow compared to what we've seen today. But as of right now, mainly over the island of Maui and, again, the top summits of Hawaii Island. Now in our atmosphere, the airspace around the islands, we are not as stable as we were in the past few days, and that's because there's a lot of things going on. Now north of the islands, we have a extension of this low pressure system far north, and that's really a contributing factor towards the light winds. That, along with some again, that disturbance moving through, is increasing the humidity levels outside, feeling quite warm on this Saturday. Now this is going to move through tonight into tomorrow. The good news is it's going to start to ease off a bit, perfect time for Labor Day. But looking at what we're expected for tomorrow in terms of the heat index, as you can see, Sunday tomorrow coming in Honolulu, that heat index is looking to reach that 100-degree mark. And when the trade winds are expected to slightly strengthen on Monday, those numbers are going to slowly come down. But we're going to have another patch of humidity levels coming up later on in the week. In terms of our future forecast for rain, really just going to be passing over tomorrow. Starting Monday throughout the week, we do still see some low-level clouds moving in with the trade winds, some moisture embedded with that. So we are seeing a 40 to 50% chance of scattered showers throughout the week. And a quick update again, looking at Hurricane Dorian. That track continues to shift more north and then northwest. Right now, a Category 4 right underneath that Category 5 mark. Checking out our He'enalu, 5 to 7 footers up north, as there's going to be a couple swells coming through, 1 to 3 out the west, 2 to 4 down south, and with the light trade winds, flat to 2 out on the east side. Now looking at the next couple days, humid tomorrow, but it's going to start to ease off. Perfect time for Labor Day, but the winds will remain light, a slight strengthening from today. We're going to have another patch of moisture move through Thursday, but the good news is following that on Friday, the winds are expected to strengthen up to some locally breezy conditions, so we can kind of cool down from this past few days. Sam, pass it back to you.